Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts, and accessories are included. The arrow on the valve indicates the direction of the water flow. Place the spring on top of the valve as illustrated. Attach the plastic lever to the valve. Attach the flange at the back of the valve. Attach the valve to the wall using the provided screws. The valve inside the cartridge contains a flow cup that controls runtime. You can replace the flow cup to increase or decrease runtime. Please note, do not use any lubrication as it will affect the operation. Insert the strainer into the adapter and attach to the valve inlet, following the arrow direction. Connect the valve to the mains water supply. Connect a flexi hose from the valve to the spout and tighten them. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 9 3194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.